Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Park on level ground, engine off, keys out, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Open the hood and locate the headlight housing. You'll see a rear access cover or a dust cap. Remove it by twisting or unclipping. Once exposed, squeeze the wiring connector release, pull the connector off, and turn the bulb socket counterclockwise. Pull the bulb straight out, steady and even pressure, so you don't damage the socket or break the bulb inside the housing. Now inspect the old bulb and compare it to the replacement. Confirm the type and tab orientation so the new lamp seats correctly. Make sure you do not touch the glass. Use gloves or paper because oils reduce bulb life. Once you're ready, align the bulb tabs with the housing slots and push the bulb straight in. Then twist the socket clockwise until it locks. Reconnect the wiring connector. It should click. Once connected, give the assembly a gentle tug to ensure everything is secure and seated. Finish by reinstalling the dust cover or cap, reconnecting the negative battery terminal, and closing the hood. Turn on the headlights and test low and high beams. Make sure the beam pattern looks correct and aim if needed. If the new bulb flickers, fails to light, or is dim, make sure the connector is fully seated, check for corrosion, and test for 12V at the connector. If you still have issues, swap the bulb with the other side to isolate the socket versus bulb problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.